Your Excellency, you've been on the private sector side, leading major industrial players, and now on the policy setting side, setting the national direction for the industrial sector. How can you elaborate on the role of the private sector in unlocking the 4IR potential? And what would be the role of the SMEs? And what can government do from an industrial policy perspective?
Well, I think at the end of the day, the private sector are the ultimate users. They are the customers at the end of the day. And I agree with His Excellency Al-Farih. They are the ones who need to move. And well, the good news is, as I said in my earlier question, is that today the private sector in Saudi Arabia is well positioned to actually take the decision to move. In fact, we are seeing this rapidly. I've been in the private sector. I used to sell equipment for the industrial sector, and I have seen how the evolution is going. But we have come to a stage where it is not enough for a single entity to invest in technology and get the best out of the technology within the boundaries or the fence of the plant or the manufacturing facility. Today's technology is all about how we can connect the overall logistics, manufacturing, supply chain, mining, energy, and so on. And that's why, a program like NIDLIB overlooks at all of these activities. But definitely, the opportunities that are here today in being bold about technology, in being bold about being the first movers, is allowing Saudi Arabia, is allowing investors in Saudi Arabia to actually get the best out what we are offering in Saudi Arabia in terms of our access to raw material, our access to energy, our excellent location, our talent who are very well geared and well positioned to take these advanced jobs. So I think that's the main part. Definitely, everybody is working now to ensure this is happening. I mean, today, if we look at additive manufacturing and how it offers the opportunity to Saudi Arabia from the full chain, from the development of the material to the actual uses of the technology. If we look at the technologies like the digital twin and how it also allows manufacturing facilities to get products up and running to the market much faster, do testing, do the the needed design also and adaptation, and being market leaders. These are areas where we see we can leapfrog, we can actually move, and that's why our industrial strategy relies a lot on technology and bets big time on technology. If you add to that our talent, which is probably, to me, is the most valuable asset that we have, of how we can train them in the right way, do the right skilling, reskilling, and educate them in the right way to be positioned to take the role. Now, when we come to SMEs, definitely SMEs is going to have a major role in the sector, either directly through the new technologies and the investment amounts coming down to a level where SMEs can afford to enter the sector, but probably most importantly actually is indirectly offering solutions, offering products, offering different innovations to the sector to allow the sector move. So personally, I'm very optimistic, and that's why I would like to take this event to make it clear that today LEAP with its innovation and forward looking is very much also aligned with what we are doing in manufacturing.